of B.S. Yedurappa speaking to Nagarjun Dwarkanath. The big focus this morning right now on the Prime Minister going out to cast his own vote. He's tweeted moments before now. Let me take you through what the Prime Minister has said. He's encouraging people, of course, to come out and vote. And here it is on your screen right now, urging all those voting in today's third phase of the 2019 Lok Sabha elections to do so in record numbers. Your vote is precious and will shape the direction our nation takes in the years to come. I'll be voting in Ahmedabad in a short while.